Let's see how to install and use Git in Visual Studio Code. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. All right. The first step would be to download Git, so we'll go to Google and search for Git. Then click here. Next, click on Windows, or if you're on Mac, click on Mac. Here you'll need to download the version depending on whether your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. To check that, open any random folder. Then click on this PC. Right-click here. Select Properties. And here you'll see if your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. Once downloaded, open the installer, click Next, and install it normally. Now search for Git Bash. Type Git status and press Enter. This will confirm that Git was installed correctly. Also, if you search for Git GUI, you'll see the options to create a new repository, clone an existing one, or open an existing repository. Now, inside Visual Studio Code, go to File, then Preferences, then Settings. Here, type Git:*enabled, and make sure this box is checked. Also, make sure that Git Decorations is enabled. Alright, now go here. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. Thank you.